Hi, Kevin Kelly from Formulations. I want to tell you about our 255 OptiMark. 255 OptiMark is a 3mm clear vinyl with a removable adhesive, a 2mm polyester traction liner. That traction liner helps facilitate feeding the printer. Now this product is great for applications when you don't have 100% ink coverage on your graphic and you want to put it on glass and you don't want that effect of the haziness on the regular clear vinyl. So we can see here where there's ink, you can see the print. Where there's no ink, it looks like glass. It's that clear. I want to show you a comparison of what a clear vinyl, a normal clear vinyl looks like. It looks hazy. So you don't get that optical clarity. Compared with our 255 OptiMark, which is totally clear. Now a couple of recommendations for application on this. Use a felt-based squeegee or a soft Teflon squeegee. Using a harder squeegee, you have the risk of scratching the vinyl. Application paper also works great to facilitate the installation. 255 OptiMark. Thank you.